Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I was sent for the purposes of the review. I'm going to be reviewing a shave kit that I got from a beard company. Today I'm going to be reviewing the shave kit from Iowa Beard Company. So I'm going to go over the stuff in the kit, and then I'm going to go up have a head shave. Then I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the Iowa Beard Company shave kit. First and foremost, check out that box. This is an awesome looking box. On this side here you have the company name and the website. This side's blank, and on the back you have your different social media accounts and a company website also. And it says Iowa Beard Company on top. Nothing on the bottom. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like inside. Got a nice little postcard with a little thank you note on the back. You get a nice little shave bowl. A puck of shave soap inside. It's wrapped up here. Get the Iowa Beard Company business card. Social media is on the back. Get a nice shave brush. Nice and soft synthetic brush. You get a stand here for your brush. Put your brush in just like that and it will drip dry. You could also put the bowl in there and have the shave brush right in there and for it to drip dry as also. You also get a very nice double-edged safety razor. This is a 3-piece razor. You got the company logo right there on the top. And with the nice faux wooden handle right there. This is a 3-piece razor, meaning that you unscrew this. Flip it upside down, and this comes apart. That's 1, 2, and 3. The kit also includes a pack of derby blades. You get 5 in the pack. What I do is I slide this out right here, put that to the side, and then you slide out your blade. Just like so. You open it up, make sure not to cut yourself. You load the blade like this. So it locks into the grooves there. Then you put the bottom plate on top. So it looks like this. And you take the handle and you just start threading the handle into the base. And there you go, loaded with a blade. Very nice. Okay, so that's the entire kit and all its contents. Now let's bring it up and have a head shave. Okay, I'm up in the bathroom and I just exfoliated the skin of my head and I put a good layer of pre-shave oil on my scalp. So I got the soap sitting in a little bit of water to let it bloom, let it break down a little bit, so when I start working the brush I get a really good lather. Got my brush all nice and wet. There it is. And then start working it. So far the soap is breaking down very nicely. Really foaming up. Really getting nice and lathery. Alright, so just had a really good shave experience with the Iowa Beard Company shave kit. The soap performed perfectly. I really enjoyed it. It lathered up very well and protected my skin from the blade just as it should. The razor itself, I like the length of the handle. It feels good in the hand, and even though there's no knurling or anything on there, it kind of feels like a non-slip kind of handle. At no time when I was shaving did it slip from my hand or move any way that I didn't want it to. It did the job quite nicely. I had a good experience with this. I really liked using this. Cleanup for the bowl was nice and easy. Just run it under water and it rinses away. All the soap residue rinses away, and you just leave it here to air dry. The same thing with the stand. The stand did get a little bit of soap on it, so all I did was run it under water and rinse it off and just dried it up. You want to make sure that you dry this completely. I'm not 100% sure if it's stainless steel, if it's going to rust or anything like that. I haven't used it that long, but just as a precaution, I would rinse all the soap off of it and then dry it with a towel just so that doesn't happen if it is going to happen. The brush, really nice brush. I really like it. This may be my default go-to brush, replacing my original badger hair brush that I bought years ago. I really like the size of it. The feel, very nice and soft. It built up the lather very well in the bowl. Good shaving brush. I really like this thing. You can pick up this kit for $55 in the Iowa Beard Company website. I recommend it. I like it. If you never used a double-edged safety razor and you want to start, I suggest picking up this kit. For 55 bucks, you get everything, and it's a great introduction into wet shaving. That'll be it for my review on the Iowa Beard Company shave kit. I enjoyed it. It's got a good shave soap. The handle's awesome. The brush, the bowl, the whole package is very nice. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can pick one up, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you like the contents of the video, like and subscribe. And as always, remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.